Okay
We
na.
are approaching.
We are now in April.
Hello, Mr. Falco. This is your investment. We are now here at the site of Shore Residences. So this is Shore Residences Tower 2, and this is Shore Residences Tower 1.
It's almost.
It's almost
Wait, ang floor level.
19. This is 19th floor. So
First tower is 19 stories.
this is the Shore Residences 1.
Kita mo na
Sa gilid meron to. Sure.
Dito yung tatak ng animation.
Ito yung sure.
Yan.
Ito. Ito yung pangalan niya. Ito yung
Okay. So, Shore Residences.
turnover date nito is 27.
Yes. Turnover will be 2017. So, the floor is almost the 19th floor.
Kita mo ba?
Then again, I'm showing him the number.
Dun sa kabila mo yung number.
There, ayun no, may number. Yeah. Yeah, here. You can see. So, 19th floor. Almost. For finishing na lang siya.
Sa first tower.
Yes.
Butin natin.
Okay. This is shore 2.
Butin natin mamaya.
Groundbreaking.
Tapos sabi mo, ikot tayo.
One at saka short. You just need to, yun pa lang dapat itanong.